Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today is gonna be a full get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare my hair, how I do my makeup, and also my outfit. So if you've not already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and let's just begin. So with the wig I'll be wearing for this video, if you want more information on that, I already made a video on how I made the wig, but in this video I'm going to show you guys how I curl the wig. I just decided to go for a tight coils, and afterwards I'm going to brush it out to give me a very bouncy looking coils. The hair is absolutely amazing, very soft. I've had the hair for some time now. It's a very great quality hair. It's very soft. I got long length and it's so beautiful. Very easy to work with, very easy to manipulate. You can wash it and everything. You can do everything you want to do to that hair. But for this video I'm going to show you guys how I curl the hair. After that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my makeup, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my outfit. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to click the like button. And for now, let's just go into coiling the hair. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair.
Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, hey, 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 hey. You a murder me, hey, 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 hey. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah. Oh Lord, make you slow down, slow.
So this is what it looks like after coiling the hair. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and begin with my makeup. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eye primer. It's the Urban Decay eye primer. After that, I'm gonna go in with my I Heart Chocolate palette. I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. I'm gonna use it as my transition color. So now I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'll be going in with this gold. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my eyelids.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder.
So right here I'll be going back with the same brown. I'm gonna still go ahead and apply more brown on the inner corner of my eyes. Then right here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liquid eyeliner as well.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my false lashes. Before then, I'll be applying my eye mascara.
You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a darker concealer on my dark spots. Right here, I'm just applying a lighter color on my brow bone. So I went ahead and did my foundation off camera. I'm just going to go ahead and contour right here. I'm just going to be very quick with it. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do a foundation and contour. I'm going to link that in the description box below. So right here, I'll be taking my Fenty powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the highlighted areas. Then I'll take a darker shade of powder. I'll be using the sleek darker shade to contour.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me.
So right here, I'm just gonna blend everything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my blush.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy.
Then right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter.
Already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this. She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me. You want murder me. You want murder me. You want murder.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip liner. I'm using a red lip liner because I'll be applying a red lipstick.
Oh, you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my red lipstick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Urban Decay Fix Spray. Then I'll go ahead and put on my wig. So right here, as you can see, I'm just using my fingers to separate the coils, to make the coils appear fuller. You guys can see the coils are absolutely beautiful. Then now I'm gonna use a comb to comb the coils out.
I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this.
And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
You a murder me. She did murder me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a huge Shein try on haul. If you've not